Restful.
Boring.
Hey, bros, here's the problem.
That's music to get my torque wrench cooking.
You're cooking with too much grease, Vinnie. This crankcase reeks.
Innocence! Steam cleaned everything.
That's grease, all right.
Rancid grease.
And that can only mean...
Grease it. Be careful, you miscreant. That bomb could flatten the Sears Tower.
Don't worry, I got it. Oops. I'll bet they're really smart, huh, Chrome Dome?
You fool! You nincompoop! You fumbling, stupid moronic!
Hey, you's the inventor. I ain't the one that forgot the handle.
This is a bomb, not luggage, you babbling oil slick. You.
Well, if it ain't the degenerate duo.
Sleaze, brain, and sludge.
You boys looking for something.
Like trouble, maybe?
No. We were just on our way to, the repair shop. That's it, yes. This idiot got us lost. Now grease it, you lout. Bring along that, toaster oven. And we'll be off.
Hold it, motherfucker. You ain't going anywhere.
Oh, yes, I is. But you ain't.
Whoa! The top 60 countdown!
Grab him.
Get away, flea bags.
Hey, the bad guys are booking.
Nothing novel there, Modo.
Hey, bros! I got something kind of explosive I'd like to get off my chest.
We've got less than a minute to get this off him.
Or Vinnie gets a one-way ticket back to Mars.
Just you and me, babe. In about 1 billion pieces.
You stop it. I'm trying to concentrate.
Just trying to be romantic.
Well, Romeo, you need a lot more practice, and I'm not sure you have the time. Got a favorite color, wise guy?
Blue, like your eyes, babe.
My eyes are green.
Whoops.
Whoops is right.
15 seconds to destruction.
Cavalry!
Let's blast!
10 seconds to destruction.
This is such a rush!
9, 8, 7, 6.
Too bad this ain't an Olympic event. That's pure gold medal.
Guess I won't get my picture on the cereal box, huh?
He's gonna be mouse meat salad.
Yes, in exactly 1 second.
Yes. As soon as those two dolts have returned, I want to see them in my office. ASA.
I hate to drop in on you like that, boss.
Well, gentlemen, it would seem you have failed. Again. You have failed, as you always have failed. Completely. Do you know what this means?
We get to go union?
No. It means that I have to pay for outside help.
Is that bad?
It shall be deducted from your pay.
Oh. Hey, wait a minute. I never get paid.
And at that price, you're overpriced. My dear disease degenerate doctor.
Yes, your cream cheesiness.
Activate the transport. Set it for the lowest, the vilest, the most disgusting team of twisted evil enforcers Plutarch ever produced.
Not the Smurfs.
Dismiss those small-timers from your mind. I'm speaking of the scum of the universe. Bring me the Loogie Brothers.
Not the Loogie Brothers.
Who are the Loogie Brothers?
I don't know. Say, do you get paid?
It's a perfect day for football here at Quigley Field. All of Denver Bay's fans are here. Coach Mike Ditto and the Grizzlies have won the toss and have elected to receive.
Nice kick.
Ooh, hard hit, bros.
No guts, no glory.
Well, that player was packed full of glory then. They're bringing out mops.
Ah, should have gone long.
Come on, bros, let's show them how it's done.
You got it.
Down and out.
Heads up.
Oh, them cockroaches make the biggest holes I ever seen.
Ow! He's on the 30, the 40, the 50. He's a tank. Nothing can stop him. But wait. Here's Vinnie. Ah!
Touchdown?
Yeah, more like a squash down.
I could make a big play for you, doll.
Oh, let me up, you lummoxes. You just sacked your lunch.
Oh, we junked our junk food.
Yeah, looks like it was quite a spread.
I just spent 20 minutes in line to get those hot dogs. Just once I wish you fuzz faces would go get your own munchies.
You know, one good look at us would sure cut down the lines.
Speak for yourself, bro.
I'm sorry, Charlie. It's all my fault. But would you mind?
Oh, all right. I'll get some more. Just watch the horseplay. Some of us aren't half metal, you know. 20 hot dogs. Great. Now how about some mustard? A big bottle. Phew, what's that smell? Did I step in something?
You need humans. Eat our stink. Get out of the way.
What's happening out there, big fella?
I don't know, but this is the halftime show. It stinks.
Man, something does anyway.
We know you are here somewhere, Biker Mice. We know you cannot resist a football game. We are Hacker.
And Hanka.
The Loogie Brothers. And we want to tear you up.
We are the scum of the universe.
Yeah, for 3 years running.
3 years ago.
Swell. You can keep the title, boys.
But nobody messes with our ball game.
Especially Plutarkian stinkfish like you.
Time to rumble, bros. Deep space mode.
Yeah. Whew. Keep the stink out.
Let's rock.
And ride!
This is tasty. Look out!
That was a close one.
This is closer.
Give it up, skunk boys.
What the heck happened?
We happened.
Yeah, and you are a hostage.
Hey!
Hold back, bros. They've got Charlie.
Time to regroup, Honka.
I'm with you, Hacker.
We'll be back to stink you up.
Let me go, you rotting carcasses!
Whatever you want, lady.
Charlie's doing the asphalt dive.
Vinnie, fire up! Bang! I'm gone. Whoa! Trajectory's off! Ready, Interceptor. This better work or Charlie Street beats him.
Gotcha!
Wonderful. So who's got you?
Don't sweat it, babe. This is standard hero work. Yo, Bike! Throw us a line!
Make it like a trout, Charlie. We're gonna get real.
Now I know how a flounder feels.
Yeah! Ready to cook!
Stash those spatulas, bros. Meet the catch of the day.
Real glad you're not sidewalk souffle, Charlie.
Yeah, would have made me sad.
Besides, you owe us lunch.
Aw, you guys are all jerks. But you're still the greatest.
Hey, don't get too happy yet, babe. Ugh, those putrid punks, the loogies, are still out there. No telling what sordid stunt they and Limburger are gonna pull next.
Hello, yes, I'm very sorry about the smell. Hello, I'll look into it. Hello? No, I believe it's a sewer pipe. Maybe we should evacuate the building. Hello? No, it's not me. Oh, this really cheeses me off. Carbuncle! Carbuncle, my dear deviant. What in the name of Plutarch are you doing? And why, pray tell me, are those flatulent failures still polluting my building?
A two-part question. My favorite kind. Well, this machine is measuring the loogies' intense odor. Apparently their stench rises in accordance to the amount of earth junk food they eat. As to part two of your question, they won't leave because they love earth junk food. It's a vicious cycle, to put it mildly. At their current rate of consumption, they could literally stink up the entire city.
No. We have to do something. I'm a Plutarkian, and even I'm ready to lose my lunch.
Oh, yeah. Fill her up. We're doing rotten.
Yummy noms.
Do you see that? That's the most disgusting, abhorrent, odious... Yes. Oh, pardon me, my dear Dr. Carbuncle. Did I hear you say they could stink up the entire city? Oh, that's it. It'll work. Eat up, my lads. You're eating for Lawrence Limburger now.
It's working.
I'm a genius. But of course I knew that. Oh, yes. Oh, run. Run, you fools. Flee the diabolical brilliance of Lawrence Limburger. And while you're all running to Peoria, I'll gut Chicago.
smell something.
Well, don't look at me.
Yeah, I had a bath last week.
No, this smells like trouble. Big trouble, like... like that. Oh, Reek City rolling bros. Grab your helmets.
Whew. That stink was worse than a bus station bathroom. You guys okay?
Charlie took a direct hit to the nose.
Olfactory overload. She's out for the duration, guys.
We can't wait. Something's rotten in the city of Chicago.
We know what that means.
Limburger. Let's rock and ride!
They think this stinks? They should try working without pay for a while. That's what really stinks. Whoops, more oppression of the working class. Hey, Mr. Limburger, we got mice.
Well then, dear boy, exterminate them.
Do I get paid for that?
Certainly. I'll double your salary. Now,
Move! You got it, Mr. L. Wow, I used to get paid nothing. Now I'll get twice as much.
It's speeding up.
Oh, please. Ain't no one can outrun the baddest motorcycle mamma jamma from Mars.
That's why they call him
The leader on the track.
Hustle up, bros.
Keep on him.
They're heading for the freeway.
You have to do better than that.
Man, I was born riding the freeway.
Not like this.
The wrong way.
On a one-way.
No way! Heads up, bros.
Don't kiss the pavement.
I never kiss on the first date.
Yeah, like I believe that.
It made a cool line, all right?
You take the high road and I'll take the low road.
And I'll save Chicago before ya.
those rotten rodents are actually gaining on us. Loogies! Get out there and stop them!
Oh, can't move. Too many roast poodles.
That's hot dogs, you bloated scum of the universe.
Treatment! Get this thing off the freeway now!
But I'm losing the biker mice, boss.
Just do it!
Oh, I think I'm gonna...
And look for a car wash.
What the heck?
Man, I love these wild rides.
Holy moly! Senior Citizens Splatterfest! Nobody runs over old ladies while I'm around! You okay, man? Good. Sorry about that rude driver, man. I'll take care of him. As my dear old gray-furred mama used to say, courtesy is the rule of the road. Ride free, citizen!
Waste those wicked mamma jammers, bike boy!
Playtime's over. Flank 'em and skank 'em. We're in place, Modo. Get it with your best shot.
My pleasure! Alley-oop!
Hey, what was that?
Day of reckoning, grease face!
Hey!
Now I want you to be a good boy and apologize to that nice old lady you almost ran down. Like right now.
Grease pit! What's happening up there?
Afraid Grease Pit had to step out for a minute, Limburger.
So we're your designated drivers.
Excuse me.
Were there any messages while I was out?
Just one, fish face. Adios!
Let's go.
Because that stink is gonna blow.
Yep, that's my guys. Always going for the big finish.
No bigger blast than a blast-off, eh, bros?
Yeah, a great launch makes me hungry for lunch.
Should be plenty of hot dogs now the loogies are gone. What do you say?
What else?
And ride!
Whoa, I guess this means I can take the rest of the day off with pay. Whoa.